Now I'm going to discuss about world primary energy supply, how we have been using energy resources, and among that how much is conventionally used as well as how much is unconventionally used. So most of the times we utilize oil as a medium of energy resources. We utilize around 35.7% of oil, as well as coal suffices around 23.3% of the total primary energy supply. In terms of natural gas, around 20.3% is the total primary supply of natural gas. In terms of unconventional energy resources, we have nuclear energy, which is suffices around 6.7%, hydro energy around 2.3%, combustible, renewable, and waste and 11.2%, and other resources such as hydro energy, such as like biomass energy, like tidal energy, like ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy suffices around 0.4% of the world consumption of energy. In terms of India total primary energy consumption, this is a report which was published in 2019, and it says that like in India, primary energy consumption is through coal around 58%, petroleum and other products is around 26%, biomass and other waste is around 20%, natural gas is around 8%, and hydroelectricity is 1%, nuclear energy is 1%, and other renewable resources such as tidal energy, such as geothermal energy, and other unconventionally used energy resources such as wind energy and solar energy is utilized around 1%, less than 1%. We really lack in renewable energy resources of the world. uh, our energy demand has also been increasing in time. In the primary energy supply was around in the year 1990 was 373 newtons to power 18 joules, which has increased up to 654 by the year 2020, and it is projected to increase by 812 by the year 2035, within around 15 years from now. So as you can see that our energy demand has increased more than twice in these years. uh, Also energy demand in terms of oil as well as total energy demand has also increased by 333% in it is projected to increase by 323% by the year 2040. So energy demand has been increasing and is going to increase in the future. Fossil fuels. Let us discuss about our major conventional source of energy, fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they have been formed by the fossilized remains of the prehistoric plants and animals. They provide around 66% of the world's electrical power and 95% of the world total energy. How does it work? So there is very simple formula that works in case of fossil fuels, that coal is crushed to fine and it is burnt. Oil and gas is burned directly. So burning of fuel will create heat. Heat is going to make water steam. Steam will turn turbines, turbines will turn generator, and generator will produce electricity, which can be stored and sent throughout the country and can be used for conducting various processes. Around coal provides around 28% of our energy, and oil provides around 40%. Crude oil, called petroleum, is easier to get out of the ground than coal, and it can be used along with pipes. This also makes it cheaper to transport. Natural gas provides around 20% of the world consumption of energy. Advantages of using fossil fuel. Very large amounts of electricity can be generated in one place using coal, and it is done very cheaply. It's a very conventional source of energy. We have been utilizing this energy for so long, so we are accustomed to use and handle these fossil fuels. Transporting oil and gas to the power station is also very easy, and gas fired power stations are extremely efficient. Fossil fuel power station can also be built almost anywhere, and some power stations are built on the coast, so they use seawater to cool down, which is also a very advantageous. On the other hand, they might create thermal pollution and may affect the local biodiversity of the region. Major disadvantages of using fossil fuel is that the main drawback is pollution. While burning fossil fuel, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and several secondary pollutants are generated. Carbon dioxide is also a greenhouse gas, which will eventually cause climate change. Burning coal produces sulfur dioxide, a gas that contributes to acid rain. Also, while extraction of petroleum from the sea, oil spills can occur, which is one of the most deadly pollution causes for local biodiversity. Mining coal can also be difficult and dangerous. Strip mining destroys large areas of the landscape. Exhaustible and non-renewable resources. These fossil fuels is not going to last us very long. So these are exhaustible, and also mining processes will also create hazard for the local population of people as well as biodiversity. It is exhaustible and non-renewable resource. We are not going to have enough for more than 20 years, and our demand, since the demand of ours is been increasing, this is not going to last us for very long. Also, another petroleum product, plastic, is also creating menace for us all around the world. Thank you.